Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stewed lentils, an incredibly easy and satisfying meal. This guide will help you create a hearty dish perfect for any occasion. We'll cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to the final flavorful touches. Get ready to enjoy a nutritious and comforting bowl of homemade goodness in about 30 minutes of active cooking time. First, let's prepare our base. Begin by rinsing your lentils well under cold water to remove any debris. Next, finely dice 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatics are crucial for building a deep flavor profile. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot, then add your diced vegetables and sauté them gently until they become tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, it's time to combine everything for the main cooking phase. Add your thoroughly rinsed lentils, along with 4 cups of vegetable broth, and your chosen spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric, to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are perfectly tender. Almost there. Once your lentils are tender, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a wonderful brightness that elevates all the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Finally, for a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of freshness, garnish your stew with some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your delicious homemade lentil stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.